Governor Phil Murphy warns that reopening the economy and relaxing social distancing too early could backfire. This weekend, the governor's team focused on planning how to keep people safe once state leaders begin to lift the restrictions. Eyewitness News reporter Naveen Dhaliwal continues our coverage. She is at Valley Hospital in Ridgewood, New Jersey. Naveen?
Yeah, Joe, there's a glimmer of a hope in this very tough fight. Doctors here at Valley Health System say they have given one of their first COVID-19 patients a convalescent plasma therapy. Now, this therapy has been used for 100 years in various pandemics, and now it's a matter of waiting to see how it works. Doctors of Valley Health System posing in a picture with good news to share. A COVID-19 patient here being the first to receive the convalescent plasma therapy.
After one has natural infection, one should develop antibodies against the virus.
Infectious specialist Dr. Gaffin says the therapy has been used in pandemics, including the 1918 Spanish flu and the SARS outbreak. He says it works like this. A COVID-19 patient is infused with the plasma from an individual who has recovered from the infection. The hope, the antibody boosts the infected patient's immune system to help fight the virus.
These antibodies are thought to be one of the major mediators of immunity against the virus. We don't know all the specifics, but that's the theory behind this.
As positive cases rise, healthcare workers continue to battle those numbers. And switching gears to Governor Murphy, being questioned on when the state will reopen.
It's still early stage, partly because the house is still on fire, and job number one is to put the fire out in the house.
Murphy on board with Governor Cuomo, who is asking for a regional approach to decisions being made, such as continuing school closures.
This weekend, discussions with our neighboring states on the whole question of testing, contact tracing, what are the rules of the road going to be for things like bars and restaurants to make sure we don't have unintended consequences on one side of the river versus the other.
And Governor Murphy has a call scheduled with the White House tomorrow to talk about getting more PPE. He also says his focus is to make sure the state has enough ventilators.